Hey people, welcome back to MoneyWave. Who doesn't want money? We all want to become rich in an instant. Sure, there are many tricks to selling piles and stacks of cash in a very short time, but for those who are looking to become a millionaire and continue growing, you must take these 5 risks. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, do drop a like to this video if you dream of becoming super rich. Alright, now let's begin. Leave your comfort zone. You can find every other motivational speaker talking about this specific ideology. Your comfort zone is the area where you feel safe and relaxed. You have nothing to worry about as this area doesn't introduce any new ideas into your life. While many people prefer staying in their bubble of comfort, many influencers and millionaires urge people to do the opposite. People that stay confined in their personal spaces are often limited to themselves. They tend to perform poorly when subjected to social interactions and cannot even maintain a normal conversation with strangers. Therefore, it is vital to step out of your comfort zone, making new changes to your routine and life. When you try new things and take new steps towards change, you'll notice a boost in your confidence, and newer challenges will seem more interesting. People will begin taking a liking to your mindset, and you'll have a better vision about your future. Leave toxicity behind. One of the main reasons why people never break out of their chain of misery is because of their social life. A man is known by the company he keeps, and that applies to every aspect of your personality. Friends, family, colleagues, and everyone that has a significant influence on your performance and mentality. When you have cooperative and supportive friends, you have the best possible company that you could wish for. These people in your life are there to support you in your times of distress and feel genuinely happy about your success. And your social circle will also encourage you to become better every day and bring out the best in you. But if that doesn't work with everybody, not every person in the world has the blessing of genuine people, and some might even find themselves amongst narrow-minded individuals. These people can't be anywhere in your social circle and can do a great deal of harm to your mental peace and health. Cutting ties with such people can make life easier. Find people who support your good initiatives. There's no need to mourn for people that couldn't help see a more successful version of you. Do it again. One of the most key pieces of advice for anyone looking to change his life is to become courageous. Being brave doesn't merely mean doing the unthinkable every time. Sometimes it's the simplest things that require a lot of will. Starting all over again is one of the such painful yet important steps. Failures are a constant part of life, and nobody has ever become successful in their entire life. Hey, they experienced heartbreaking setbacks which caused them to lose everything, but because they're so brave and chose to be that way and started from scratch once again, nature appreciated their valiance and rewarded them with even more success. So if everything falls apart, you should have the strength to start from the beginning. Find the calm in chaos. Many people do not quit their jobs because they're worried about feeding their family. Individuals choose to keep usually working on a minimum wage because they do not see the bigger picture clearly. Because of some factors, people are scared to quit their daily jobs and start afresh. Not many people realize that fact that companies could fire them for any reason at any time. Therefore, it is helpful that you prepare for all situations that might come your way. If you quit your job, you won't have a carefree life for a few days. But as soon as you find a better job, however, your life will become better. Many people miss out on the opportunities that could have changed their future because of their current progress in life, and that's unfair to you. You should be ready to accept change and face the harsh days with patience and hope. Accept defeat. You might have seen some cliches in movies where the main character becomes invincible after learning the secret of success. A supporting character comes along and tells the protagonist that the real victory lies in accepting defeat. After that, the hero evolves into something supernatural and wins at the end. Real life works in quite a similar way. Any normal human is scared to make rash decisions. People who have suffered heavy losses in their investment are more cautious about a new project. Life becomes a difficult matter when a person does nothing due to a constant fear of failure. This sense of endangerment tends to prevent them from keeping a new life from coming to them, with a constant struggle of tiresome routine, and prevents them from seeking something new. Therefore, you should be ready to embrace defeat if you want to taste success. Risk everything and do what you want. You will always have a second chance in making money back, so don't think twice about taking risks. You'll have a leap of faith and go with the flow. So these are some simple tasks that you should take to become successful. Nothing in the world is guaranteed, and you can't succeed until you try. If one of these ideas fail, you'll have the chance to learn from your mistakes. Now get out there and start learning. Well, that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know in the comment section below about what your thoughts are. Also, if you haven't liked the video yet, do it. It's never too late. Give it a thumbs up, people. We will see you soon in another video. Until then, take care and goodbye.